We are proud that such a wide range of customers trust us with their business. We service industries such as rail and transportation, materials handling, drilling and mining, and agriculture equipment, just to name a few.
Interesting about the spring industry is the product goes in so many different applications. It never gets boring. We don't service the automotive market or aircraft or toys, but everything else, little valves or farm equipment, snowplow springs. And that's what makes it interesting. And some of these customers have been with us a long time.
Our customers turn to us since we offer both stock and custom springs to meet their needs. Find what you need amongst the thousands of products we carry in inventory. Developing new products? Order a few of our stock springs to evaluate them. Our catalog division has the capability to get you product next day to avoid production shutdowns. Or take advantage of our design engineers to get your custom springs expertly designed and manufactured quickly. Whether you need micro-sized or large heavy springs, we have the expertise to design and the equipment and craftsmen in-house to form, grind, and finish a variety of cold wound springs. Diamond Wire Spring is the only company you need to call.